Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about SSL certificate error. What are the causes and possible resolution for this error? Possible reasons for this error is that the SSL certificate of that website is expired. Another reason could be the time setting on your desktop does not match the actual time where you are located. A third reason could be is that the security levels in your computer are set too high, preventing you from accessing that website. So now let's go to the PC and check out possible solutions for this error. So now what you need to do, you need to go to the search toolbar and type Internet Options. Click on it. This window will open. Go to Advanced. Click on Advanced, and then inside Advanced there is many sections. You need to scroll down to the last section, which is Security. Under Security, you need to deselect, check for Publisher Certificate Revocation, and check for Server Certificate Revocation. Now, if these two options are selected, you need to deselect them. After deselecting them, click on Apply and then click on OK, and check if this error is resolved or no. Now, if it's not resolved, stay on this window. You need to go to Security, and here, after clicking on Security tab, here if your security level are put on too high, like this, then you may reduce it to medium high. Medium high is appropriate for most websites. Prompts before downloading potential unsafe content. Unsigned ActiveX control will not be downloaded. So you may put it on medium high. After putting it on medium high, click on apply and then OK, and check if this error is resolved or no. Now the last option which you can also try is that on the security tab also click on trusted sites. So I'm gonna click on it and then click on sites. Here you can enter the website. If you trust that website, go ahead and enter it here, add it. So you can when you type it, you can log into it. So you can, let's say for example, www.google.com, and then click on add. But before clicking on add, deselect require server verification. Okay, deselect that. If it is selected, deselect it and click on add. It will go here. So now this website is considered safe. So you can access it. With that, I have come up to the end of this video. I hope this method have sort out the SSL certificate issue. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.